Hi, welcome to Start Tech Academy, where you learn something new with every video. In this video, we will learn how to run Deepseek R1 model locally on your PC. As you know, running it locally means you can use this model without an internet connection. Another key advantage is that your data stays private, providing enhanced security and confidentiality. So, first let's understand what Deepseek R1 is. Deepseek R1 makes AI easier to use by allowing smaller developers to run powerful models without expensive hardwares. It also competes with big AI companies like OpenAI and Google and raises questions about the need for high-end chips in AI development. Now, to run Deepseek R1 model locally, we need to first install a tool named Olava. Olama is a free open source tool that lets you run a large language model on your computer without relying on cloud services. To download Olama, open your browser and search olama.com and click on the first link. After that, you can see here the download button. Click on it. Here, click download for Windows or the operating system that you are using. Now, you can see that download has started. This will take few seconds or a minute to download, so wait for it. Now you can see that our download is completed. You can open it, click on install. Next, wait for it to complete. Now installation is successful. Remember one thing, that Olama is not a standalone software with a web user interface. It works as a background model. Even after installation, it will run in the backend. Now to verify that Olama is successfully installed or not, we will go into command prompt, type cmd. Here in command prompt, write Olama help. Here it is giving us some commands like pull, push, list, etc. It means our Olama is completely working. There are no errors in it. Now we have to import Deepseek R1 model. So what we need to do, we have to go onto the Olama homepage. Now here we are on the Olama homepage. You can see Deepseek R1 here. You can directly click on it, or if you don't see it there, you can go to the models and you can search here also the Deepseek R1. You will find it. Click on it. Here you can see the various sizes available of this model. 1.5B, 7B, 8B. Here B is for billion, and 1.5B means this model has 1.5 billion parameters. 8B means this has 8 billion parameters. The largest model has the 671 billion parameters. The model which is better than ChatGPT is this model. So now for this tutorial, we are taking this model, 1.5 billion parameters model, and what we need to do, we have to just copy this command and then we have to go to command prompt. After that, paste the command here and press enter. It's working. Now our Deepseek R1 model is ready. We can ask any question directly from command prompt. So for example, let's ask write a small poem on stars. So there is a think option in it. This think option gives us a step-by-step reasoning that how model is answering our question. So this is also a plus point. And finally, you can see it gave us a beautiful poem. Let's ask another question, a professional question, like write an email to HR for 3 days medical leave. Let's see, it is working on it. And here you can see it gives us a well structured email. You can copy it, and after filling some details, you can send it to your HR. So that's how you can run Deepseek R1 model locally. And you can also use an open web UI to run Deepseek as a chatbot. Here is the open web interface where Deepseek R1 is working like a message box. You can simply put the message here and it will start answering you. So let's try it also. So I'm asking the same question that I asked earlier. Write an email to HR for 3 days medical leave. It's thinking, and you can see it has given us a proper email. So you see how easy to use Deepseek R1 model locally. If you want to learn more about Olama and Open Web UI, you can check out the link which is given in the description. We will be there for you. That's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.